guys, here is our order. This is Lego Ninjago, who is this again? Tanjiro. Yeah. Let's open it. Here the Lego pieces, huh? Oh my god, man. Let's open it carefully. I'm shocked. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm waiting for this. Holy! So here's what we get. Can we open this? Oh, okay. Okay. So this is from China. Here's the minifigure. Okay, so I want to keep it, so I'm just gonna cut here. Okay, so here is it. Here's our pieces. Here's our pieces. Oh my god, I'm so holy. I got this from Shopee. Oh yeah, Tanjiro. We got the other Tanjiro, and I'm going to make another video out of we're going to comparison. So yeah, let's get building. So I think I want to change the head to be that one. That one, guys. I'm gonna put this. I hope it don't break. Oh, let's get the head. And let's put like his backpack. Like that. First we're gonna get the hands. Hands is the most we need. Cause it's a katana with no hands. So here's the body. I'm gonna put that there. So here's what I'm waiting for. Oh. So here's like the. I think I cannot put it on the bead because I'm just gonna put it by myself. Wait, guys. This is hard. This is harder than I thought. Harder than I thought. Super hard, you win. Oh, just slide it. Just slide it. Did it broke? I think it broke. Did it? No. Oh, bro, this is hard. Wait, guys. This is kind of hard. Okay, there we go. Oh, sheesh. Look at that. Look at that. Plastic right there, but that's... Here we go, and we can open that. I don't know what he's gonna put in here. So you're just gonna do that and do that. Kinda hard. But... And this is nice at you're gonna put it the back. So here is it. Holy! Holy! Okay. First we're gonna get the sword. Oh, the sword. Okay. The sword has that spot, so we're just gonna do that because this has a spot too. Do it like that. That's the way. Holy. So this is my second. No. So here is. Wait, guys. Holy. Let's do that and yeah. Stay in place. Stay in place. Okay, there you go. So this is his sword and his head. I want to be like that. Is that the nice one? Or this one? This one or this one? I think we're gonna go for this one. Wait, guys. Holy, wait. You need to get that the head goes. The head fit. We need to fit the head. We need to fit the head. Hey guys. Kinda hard. Super hard. But oh no. This is banned. This is banned. This is banned. We need to do that. This is banned, you guys. We just got scammed. This is banned. Wait, guys. I'm gonna do it for you guys. Holy. I don't know, this is banned. I think that's the right one. I'm gonna put it Charlie. Oh no, I think it's not. Yes, there you go. Wait, guys. There, that needs to be like up. And this version is the WM. It's making a lot of Lego, like super nice, and not like cheap version, and it got a free one hand. If you lose one, you get another one. So this is oh, this is our, oh, that's fit. That fit a lot. Fit a lot. No, I'm twisting it. Hey guys, let me sit down for a minute. Is it that spot? Yeah, that's the spot. Be careful. Oh yeah, there you go, the click. Now we can put that over there. Let's put, I'm looking at, not in the camera, so this is kind of hard. Wait, let's just open his sword. Jeez, that's amazing, man. Tanjiro. This is Tanjiro. So let me do a quick pose. So this is the product name, WM Blocks. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. So let's compare it in our another Tanjiro. That is for my gift. Holy shit. Holy. We need to get this out. Got it out. So let's put this again, but this is from my old Tanjiro. My new one is the blue one. That's my favorite Tanjiro. I think that's gonna be my favorite Tanjiro for now. So this is for my gift, and the blue one is not. I just buy it myself. So let's compare them, guys. So the compared. Wait, guys. Wait, I know. Wait, guys. So guys, back. Let me just do that, cause I don't have any like. Let's get in. I'm just gonna use myself. I'm just gonna use myself. Holy. Oh man. So here we go. So here is the two. Let me get this out. This thing. So the number of the first Tanjiro is 9, I think. Number 4. So number 4 goes in the right one. The new one goes to, it's 6 or 9. So that's gonna be on the right side. So I cannot compare this. So first, the difference on that is, you know that the face like that is not the same, and the back one, this is, look at that, that's, wait guys, because this is kind of hard. Okay, so yeah, basically so we can do that. Yeah, we cannot. But this is his head. Ow, that's hot. That hurts me a lot. Bye guys. Let me fix this. Holy. Oh, that's a nice head. That's a nice head for Tanjiro. So here is our mess. So here is the face without his mag, and they have one of this but don't have this. So I just buy it with this one. So it came with accessories because it's just the same price. And can we put it on right here? Let's try it. So that's our time. Guys, wait lang. Oh yeah, I'm speaking English. Hey guys, this is hard. So yeah, that's the another head, so we cannot get that one. I don't know why we can't. This is super hard. Oh, look at that. Look at this Tanjiro right here. I like the faces. They are like not in a fight. Holy, look at that, my boy. Look at that, my boy. Look at that. I'm just zooming in, but this is the camera lens. This is how big the camera. How close is the camera? Like that. That's super close, man. I'm not super close, but the camera is just close. Look at that. Let's look at the back. Sheesh. Okay, so here is it. Look at that pose. I think because this is nice with his backpack, but he can stand. So let's do it again by using another magnet. So I just don't give it. Oh, I can just do that, bruh. Okay. Here is the Tanjiro with the background, and you can open, but just do that, and nothing in there, just fine. But this is where it came out. Let's just get his head out of here so we can put his man for the blue one. I don't know what's the called. What is the name of the blue one? Tanjiro what? Name it from the comments, guys. Can you name it? Guys, I think I'm gonna play with this. Really? Yeah. You just need to adjust it because it might be crooked or just bend. So you just Just super nicely. There you go, man. There you go. Oh, it's super nice with the green one. And the backpack is not the same. Yeah, it's not the same. I really like it. So this is from the one. So the front one is this one with no number side. Yo, that's amazing. That's amazing. Now this thing. So this is the front one. So here is, it's just the same. Look at that. Oh my god. My god. Oh, they painted. They painted on it. It's just kind of black. There we go, not light. I really like this one. This one. Really like that. So just do that. Holy. Look at that. I think I'm gonna twist it cause you're not gonna see like the plastic. There you go. There you go, man. I'm gonna play with you. This is his cousin, or he's another one. So I'm gonna put this on here. I don't know where to pull it. I think I'm gonna move my, what's that? My wait guys. I'm gonna move my, ooh, there we go. Look at these. Hey guys. Oh man, I'm breaking it. There you go. Look at these. Look at that. We got Ninjago. We got what's in the middle one? What's it? What is okay, I don't know what's the name again. It's the yellow guy from the show, but it's in there. So we got, oh my guys, let me focus. We got Ringoku. We got, so it's like from my favorite one. My last one is not my favorite one, so this is gonna be my third favorite one. First, my first favorite one is, let me turn off the flash. My first favorite one is Ringoku. Second, Zenitsu. Now, the blue one, I don't know what's that called. Just called Tanjiro number 2. And that's my third one. And my fourth one is Tanjiro number 1. And number 2 is Gio. And if you saw GU, I think, yeah, GU. If you're talking about why is the sword like glued, that broke. Yeah. And yeah, I don't feel I'm gonna take that. I think I'm gonna give that away. And yeah, here's our mess. Yeah, I got the styrofoam, so this is from China, so we can smell China. Oh, okay. Horrible. Super horrible. Okay guys, so goodbye. Okay, let's do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Okay, 3. Oh my man. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Goodbye.